Today is World Environment Day, and the theme of this year is Solution to Plastic Pollution. It is celebrated on 5th of June, and this year it is supported by Netherlands. So before we begin, we must remember the keywords, that is environment, plastic, pollution, recycling, reusing, and solution. As we all know, 5 basic elements for life are earth, water, air, fire, and space. So we must conserve these. Otherwise, we cannot put the genie back into the bottle. So what is the genie here? Is the pollution. So therefore, the focus of this year's is solution to plastic pollution. So what should we do? We must immediately listen to the environment. Why? Because Earth is our mother. So when we speak about environment, it is a complex mix of population, activities, social and economic, globalization, pandemics, disasters, matter, energy, and whatever surrounds us. And scientifically speaking, it is a medium. Environment is a medium that interacts. It has its multiple dimensions, and all the species have to adapt to the environment. And the environment is different. It's not same for everybody at all places. So now, what is the plastic? And plastic has some good points, it has some bad points, and it has some ugly points. So what are the good points of plastic? The good points of plastics are: it is fantastic, it is hard, it is flexible, it is durable, it is lightweight, it is workhorse of economy. We walk on plastic, we drink in plastic bottles, we have components in vehicles, in trains, in aircrafts. Everywhere components are made out of plastic. It is versatile. It is used in packaging, repackaging, it's against corrosion, and it has given us a better life. So now, what are the bad points of plastic? The bad points of plastic, as per United Nations Environmental Program, are its global warming, contributes to global warming. Recycling is expensive and it is carbon intensive affair. And again, it leaks into the environment. Therefore, it is a cause of concern. So now, what are its ugly points? Ugly points are: it is threatening wildlife, it is threatening marine life, it is altering the human behavior, it's altering the human life. It is the garbage is filled, plastic garbage is filled in the oceans, it is in the waterways. And UNEP has also has given 1.5 degrees centigrade as the average temperature rise, and we have to keep it below that. So it is threatening that average rise of the global average rise. And it emits greenhouse effects, greenhouse gases. So what should we do? So number one, we must capture plastic from our surrounding, from our locality, from our neighborhoods. And as we all know, value is not in plastic, value is in bottle. So we must capture plastic, and we all know that only 30% is recycled. And where does this 70% go? It ends up in landfill. At the end of the lifespan, when we use plastic, it becomes something else. And where does this something else go? It goes into the landfills. Again, what can be done? So we can recycle it and then reuse avoid disposable things, capture. So what could be the solutions to plastic pollutions? Solutions are incredibly complex. They seem very simple, but they are very complex. As we know, we have bioplastic, we have biodegradable plastic, and both of them are different. Bioplastic has no technical specifications, and it cannot be used for recycling, whereas biodegradable plastic cannot carry liquids because it degrades. So we have to invest our time to make a difference. We have to think before we do shopping. We have to develop our local resources, local resource management, and we have to drink water through water fountains, use reusable bottles, returnable bottles instead of plastic bottles, use linen wraps for our food and sandwiches and whatever we do, and buy in bulk from the shops, and do more cooking at home. So, and plus 100% recycling and 100% capture. And we have to use cups that are edible cups, and that could be a solution. Plus, this plastic can be converted into tiles, into roads, into various types of fuels, and into pontoons. As we know that Netherlands is supporting this year's Environmental Day. Netherlands has many bridges made of pontoons because they have captured and recycled plastic and made them through high degree of innovations and technology into pontoons, and various bridges, and many bridges are there in Netherlands for pontoons. And in our India also, in Kumbh Mela, a pontoon bridge spanning 1.1 kilometers was made over holy river Ganges, and it had 230 pontoons. So now, the way we use plastic is an issue. So we must move to a recycled economy. We must be an advocate of recycling and reusing. We all know that public is power, and the key to make radical change to happen is us, so that we are able to take care of the pollution and take care of Mother Earth. Thank you very much.